Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Fiesta Mk7 gear knob. Start by parking on level ground, apply the handbrake, and shift into neutral. Gather tools like a flat trim tool, a 10 mm socket, and cloth rags. Take time to inspect the new knob for fit and any retaining clips. Work calmly and keep small parts together so reassembly is quick and stress-free for a smooth finish. With the trim removed, position your tools and prepare a clean workspace. Use the flat trim tool to release clips slowly along the surround, working from one edge to the next. Keep the clips and screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Inspect the area for hidden fasteners or electrical connectors and unplug them gently to free the trim completely before moving to the next step. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car DIY content. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long garage sessions and fits most cup holders, making it great for on the road between jobs. It's durable, easy to clean, and a handy companion while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Check how the current knob is secured, whether with screws, a collar, or a clip, then release it accordingly. Remove the old knob with steady upward force while supporting the shift shaft to prevent bending. Clean the shaft and fit the new knob before final attachment. Tighten any screws or collars to the correct feel so the knob is secure but comfortable for shifting, then reassemble the trim carefully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.